All right, so everyone's back. All right, so let's look at the solution here. All right, because that was a tricky one. So we have all right, 21 boxes. Box 21 was not completely filled. So how many tins were in box 21? So first we're going to assume, all right, that each box had the same number of tins. All right, this is almost like a riddle. All right, we know that he filled up to 20 boxes. Yes, we know that.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, you're not seeing it?
No, we saying 23, 20.
All right, this is number 23. This is
Miss, may I be
solution.
excused real quick? I can
Again?
hear you still, but I need to be
Oh,
excused real quick,
okay,
please.
okay. Just mute your side. Okay. Yes, yeah, this is the solution. The question number is 23. Right, we're in section 2. Right, this is the solution. This is the same one your mom sent me, right? Yes.
Excuse me, miss, but you have the answer
Yes.
at the bottom.
Yes, because we're doing the answer now. Right?
Okay.
I assume you solved it. I'll have like 3 minutes, right? Jesus. You had solved this already, right? You're working on it. That's what I said.
Okay.
Work on it. And then when we come back in the second session, we would answer it. Right. So we'll be looking at the answer now. So like I said, from our drawing, from the little drawing we had from before, right? So we had box number 1 all the way to 20. These are completely full, right? This box here now is the box that is not full, and that's box 21. So we need to figure out how many tins are going to go in that box. All right, so obviously the number of tins is not going to be the same as the number of tins in box 1 to 20. Right, so 20 boxes were filled, right? This is assuming that each box has the same number of tins. So to find that out, we would do some long division, right? So we simply divided 496, which is the number of tins, by the number of completed boxes or full boxes, right? And that number is 20. So therefore the remainder would be how many tins, right? Remainder here, this is remainder, would be the number of tins. So when you divide 496 by 20, right, and you do your working, blah, 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 your remainder is 16, right? So this answer on top of here is how many tins are in each box. So from 1 to 20, this box has 24. All of these here have 24. These have 24. But this lone green one here has 16. Right? So the number of tins in box 21 is 16. What answers did you all have? Or if anyone was able to complete it, what answers did you all have? So yeah, what did you have?
I was still working it out when the time I cut off.
That's too long. Remember in the exam, these questions, you could only take like 2 minutes max. All right, which I had nothing. All right, this one was a tricky one. This was a tricky one. And
It
for
was.
only for only 2 marks. That's kind of tough to
It's supposed to
do.
be for 3 marks.
Yeah. All right, let's go back to the questions. Right, so we're on 24. Sita has 36 marbles. She has 3/7 of the marbles that Diana has. How many marbles do they have altogether? So this question is multiple steps, right? So you have to figure out the steps. So let me highlight the key information here. This is not a straightforward question. Don't be fooled and think you just have to find 3/7 of 36. No, that's definitely not what you have to do. Alright, so Sita has 36 marbles. She has 3/7 of the number that Diana has. So that means you have to find out how much Diana has. Then you need to figure out how much they have all together. Right? All together means the sum. Right? So you need to figure out how many Diana has and then how many they have all together. Right? You have 3 minutes for this question. So begin. Okay, so let's work this out. All right, we have 3 minutes to work it out. Right, so Sita has 36 marbles. So let's say Sita is 36. Diane and Sita has 3/7 of what Diane has. So we need to find out how much Diane has. All right, what did you do to find out what Diane has? You don't have to have the answer, but let me just hear
Miss, I confuse it. Miss, I
Go ahead.
confuse it. I thought that Sita had give Diana 3/7, and I did the wrong thing, so I can't.
Did you read the question, Alanis?
Yeah, and then I have overthink.
It says she has. See why it's important to read the question and highlight the important parts? I highlighted that Sita has 36 marbles. She has 3/7 of the number of marbles that Diane has. Alright? What about Khadijah? What did you do to find out how much Diane had? What did you do? What did you try?
I think I put 36 over 1 and multiply. I put 36 over 1 and multiply by 3 over 7 and 16.
Wasn't that? And you got what?
16.
36 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 7. 7 into 36 is 7 can go into 36 without a remainder. Khadijah, can 7 go into 36 without a remainder? So how would that work? And that was the exact thing I said not to do. I said it's not simple as 36 multiplied by 3/7. And you did the exact thing I said not to do. So that means you're not paying attention. Okay, Zia, what did you try? How did you try to solve how many Diana has?
Since it say it was all together, I added because I read the thing and it said all together, and all together is addition. So I add them together.
And altogether they have 36 and 3/7 marbles. Can somebody have 3/7 of a marble? What size would that, what shape would that be? Right. So sometimes when you get an answer, you have to think, does this make sense? Can somebody have 3/7 of something? No, you either have a whole or you have none of it. Right? Right. So everyone missed out the key important line, which was Sita has 3/7, the number of marbles Diana has. To find out how much Diana has, right, we need to find the whole. So basically, Sita has, let me rewrite it. That 36 is 3/7 of, I'll use D for Diana, since it's unknown, right? So that number 36 represents, if you were to multiply 3/7 by D for Diana. But since we don't know the whole, we only know the part, we are going to have to flip the fraction, right? So instead of 36 by 3/7, we're going to put 7/3 multiplied by 36. All right, because we have to find how many marbles Diana had to begin with. 36 represents 3/7. So therefore, 7 out of 7 is how much Diana has, basically. The whole. So we need to find the whole of that. Right? The part is 36 marbles, or 3 out of 7. The whole is what we're going to find. Right? So we're breaking this down. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 36, 12. 12 multiplied by 7 is 84. Right? So Diane has 84 marbles. Now, if you get a number and you're not sure, you can always double check. Right? If we were to come back again and say 3/7, because Sita has 3/7, the number of marbles that Diane has. So if it's 84 marbles, let's see if 3/7 of 84 is going to give us back 36 marbles. Let's see if that works. All right, always double check your answer. 7 to 7, 1. 7 to 84 is 12. 12 multiplied by 3 will give us 36. All right, so we know that Diana has 84 marbles. Sita has 36. So all we have to do now, S plus D, 84 plus 36, 120 marbles. All right, 120. So the key line of that question was she has 3/7 of the number that Diane has. We don't know how much Diane has. So we have to solve for that first. So that's step 1. We solve for what Diana has. Then step 2 will be how many marbles they have all together. All right, okay. Let's go on to the next one now. All right, let's look at this one. The diagram below shows Maria and Chloe in a race. Maria is at the finish line. Chloe is 15 3/4 meters behind Maria. What is the total distance from start to finish? So let's annotate. So basically we need to find the distance. Oh, let me use my arrows. Distance from here to here. Right? We know up to here. Right? We know here, from here to here. So this is between Chloe and Maria. We know that.
That.
Yes, we know that, right? Everybody knows that. So all we need to do is find the total distance. Right, look at this. Chloe is 15 3/4 meters behind. So what is the total distance? Right? This red arrow, how long is that arrow? What's the distance there?
34 1/4.
No, the distance when we start to Chloe is 34 1/4. What is the distance from Chloe to Maria?
15 3/4.
Right, it's in the question. It's highlighted right here, right? Oh, that's what I say. Always read your question, highlight the important information. Right, the question is like clues, and you have to piece them together. So they gave you the clue that Chloe is 15 3/4 meters behind. Right, so this distance between Chloe and Maria is 15 3/4 meters. Right, so you need to find the length of that green arrow there, the total length. So do that for me. Right, all you have to do is add 34 1/4 plus 15 3/4. All right, does anybody have their answer ready?
Yes, miss.
Great. Let me hear what you have.
50.
Anybody else has an answer?
Me, miss.
All right, what do you have?
The same thing as thing.
Okay. Khadija, what do you have?
50.
What you say, Khadija?
50.
50? All right, good. That's correct. Excellent. Great. Right? All you have to do is sit down, look at the question, look at what it's asking, look at the clues that they give you, and break it down and try and solve it. Right? That was an easy 2 marks right there. All right, last one for the road. All right, so this one is 3 marks. What's the question? All right, all you have to do is complete the table. All right, the prices of 3 different items are shown below. Aaron bought the items. So one notebook is $8, one folder is $30, one pen is $5. All right, you have 3 minutes. All right, let's get to the solution. So let's fill in what we can. Right, so they gave us 3 pens, quantity of 3. The total cost is 15, right? So the pen was $5 for one, so 5 by 3 is 15. Right. The folder, two folders, sorry. So two folders at $30 for one, 30 by 2 is 60. Alright, so the total cost of the folder is 60. Right? So this is what we're gonna do. We know the total and we know parts of the whole, right? The whole is 99, the parts are 60, 15, and now we need to figure out this part here. Right? So this is what we do. We add 60 and 15 together and we will get 75. Right? So these together will give us 75. So we have the whole and we have a part. So we're going to subtract from the whole to get the missing parts, which is the notebook. Right? So 99 minus 75 will give us 24. Right? So the total cost is $24 here. Right? You can double check. 24 plus 60 plus 15 will give us back $99. So the total cost of the notebooks is $24. Right? One notebook. So one notebook is $24. Sorry, what am I saying? One notebook is $8. So to find out how many notebooks, when you add them all together, will give you 24, we're going to have to divide. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. Right? So 3 notebooks at $8 for one. 3 notebooks at $8 will give us $24. 2 folders, $60. 3 pens, $15. When we add them all together, they'll give us 99. Right? And that's it for today. On Thursday, we're going to continue with the others. Right? So if you need to take down the book, go right ahead. And this is 3 marks for this one.
I got all correct.